Hello, Shaman again. Boom, yeah, yeah, boom, boom. Thank you so much for joining me on Have Business Starting Now TV. Just to let you know, the new podcast is out, and I'm basically talking about the power of self-belief, because I truly believe that self-belief is key to achieving your version of success, whatever that looks like. And so I'll just share a few things that I've talked about on the podcast. But before I do that, let me just thank people who also support habbybusiness.com, which is HABBY business.com. Really appreciate the love and the support. Anyway, going back to the subject, self-belief is such a key thing. If you want to achieve your version of success, you have to have the ability to self-believe, to have that self-belief, believe in yourself, believe in your abilities. I've looked at people who I consider to be successful, and I've studied them, and one of the common thing they all tend to have is self-belief, the power of self-belief. And so I've just written a few things down now I want to share that I've talked about in the podcast on Have Business Start Now. And one of the things I talk about is that self-belief is indeed a powerful force that can greatly impact our lives. And we are more likely to take risks. We're more likely to pursue our goals and overcome obstacles. Self-belief allows us to push past our limitations and achieve things that we may have thought to be impossible. And I've also talked about that having a strong self-belief in ourselves also helps to build resilience and perseverance when faced with setbacks or failures. So people who have the ability, and the reason I say that, people who have the ability or have the self-belief are more likely to bounce back when they're set back or faced with failure, because they see that as more an opportunity to grow and to learn from those failures and setbacks. So it's the mindset thing. And so I think that having a strong belief in ourselves also helps influence how we perceive ourselves and how others perceive us. Because when you have self-belief, people that have got the confidence, when they walk in the room, they have the self-belief, you can feel the energy, you can feel that they that determination, the want to make things happen, the want to achieve things. When you go into an interview, they walk with that self-belief to know, I can do this, I've got the ability, I'm capable of getting this job and doing this job to the best of my ability. They want to set up a business, they go in with that self-belief to say, you know what, I can achieve and make this business a success. And you can feel that from people who've got the self-belief. So it can also be used to inspire others and motivate others when they see that determination and self-belief. So however, one thing to just be wary about is that self-belief is not about being arrogant or having an inflated ego, but it's about knowing your worth. It's about understanding your worth, and it's also about recognizing and embracing your strengths and your abilities, and acknowledging that we have the power to create our own success and happiness. And so self-belief is also, I think, a powerful force that can shape our lives and help us achieve our goals. It allows us to overcome challenges and obviously build resilience and attract positive opportunities. By cultivating self-belief, we can unlock our full potential and create fulfilling and a successful life. So believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. You're capable. You're stronger than how you feel. Don't let the naysayers in your life, whether it be people that you know, your family, your colleagues, your boss, whoever, let the doubt sink into your mind. Just don't listen to all those naysayers in your life, the people that doubt your abilities. Believe in yourself. Believe how that self-belief, you can do it, you can achieve it, whatever you put your mind to. And by doing that, you will achieve your version of success. So go out there and be great. Go out there and start your business. Go out there and apply for that job. Go out there and go for that relationship that you want. You know, self-belief, the power of self-belief. Anyway, thank you for listening to me waffle. Like, boom, yeah.